everyone! Welcome to Tokyo Kitchen Japanese cooking class. I'm Yoshimi. Today, I'm going to show you how to make negishio butabara udon. It's getting colder day by day, so I'm cooking udon noodles in hot broth with pork and Japanese leek today. It's very easy and quick to make, but it's super delicious and it warms up your body. At the end of the video, I will show you how I build a menu with this udon noodle, so stay with me till the end. Okay, let's get started. These are what you need to make 4 servings. 4 frozen udon noodles, 1 Japanese leek, thinly sliced pork rib. It's about 200 grams. 1 teaspoon each of soy sauce, hondashi instant Japanese soup stock, 1 tablespoon each of salt and sesame oil, and some black pepper. As always, all the cutting first, so Japanese leek. Let's cut the top off because it's dried. Make thin diagonal slices. And pork. Let's just cut it into bite-sized pieces. Heat up a little bit of vegetable oil in the pot, about a teaspoon. When the pot is hot enough, add pork. Now, pork is cooked, so let's add the Japanese leek. When the leek is melted, add 4 cups of water. Then hondashi instant Japanese soup stock, soy sauce, salt, give it a stir, and just cook it for 5 minutes or so until everything is well cooked. Cooked for 5 minutes and it's smelling so good. If you see any scum coming up, it's better to remove, but if it's too much work, you can just leave it in. It won't kill you. Then kill the heat and add sesame oil. And the broth is ready. Now, I'm going to cook the udon noodles by following the instruction on the package. It says I can either cook them in boiling water for 1 minute or microwave for 3.5 minutes per serving. Today, I'm going to microwave it. So 1 serving on the plate with the film on. And let's microwave it for 3.5 minutes at 600 watts. Udon noodles into the bowl. The broth. And black pepper. And negishio butabara udon. It's ready to go. Time for the tasting. いただきます。 It's so easy, quick to make, budget-friendly, and delicious. If I were a uni student, I would be making this every single day. This is how standard Japanese combo-style meal looks. Rice, soup, main, 1 to 2 side dishes. The dish I cooked today is noodles, but it's carb, so it goes here, and it also covers the main. Udon is a soupy dish, so let's have the soup here. I want to have a little more protein, so let's have Japanese omelette for one of the side dishes. And how about vegetable sticks with miso mayo dipping sauce for the other one? I hope you enjoy the meal. That's all for today. Thank you so much for watching. More videos coming up on every Monday, Wednesday, and Friday, so don't forget to subscribe and turn the notification bell on so that you don't miss anything. Bye!